Yeah, once again, it's Mr. Pain, man. This dedicated to all the fans on Boom Dizzle. Shout out to everybody on my page. Everybody for checking out all my joints right there. Really appreciate it. One shout out to one fan, Jen I828. Once again, that shout out to Jen I828. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate everybody checking out the music. This dedicated to y'all right here. Check this out, man. Everybody listen to my joint worldwide. They know pay, trying to grind, trying to get them ends. NYC ass cat money. But I know the haters want to see me buried in the dirt, messed up, effed up, homeless. But yes, the fans bless a nigga with the cash, with the ass. Yeah, and I like the cooking, home cooked meals. Yeah, and the head is great. I gotta thank all the fans for holding me down through all the years, buying wwcdbaby.com/Mr. Pain, hurting but still struggling. Online right now, go cop that, holla at your boy. And I'm down to do any collaborations wherever you're at. Holla at your boy versus MAPIN3excitecom@gmail.com. Holla at your boy, cause I'm putting it down. You need a verse, holla at your boy. I'm not even charging for a verse. Shit, I might even pay you for a verse, homie. So holla at your boy. And this is Pain, homie. Doing it real big like I'm supposed to. And yeah, I ain't the #1 stunner, but I'm the #1 flower with over 300 plus freestyles online worldwide. So holla at your boy. That's a hold it down for hip-hop veterans and hip-hop rookies and suckers all across the globe. Holla at your boy. wwcdbaby.com/Mr. Pain. Holla at your boy. And I gotta thank the fans once again for buying, hurt but still struggling. Yeah. Once again, man, I want to thank Jen, you know what I'm saying? All them people out there doing their thing. Holla at your boy, you heard me? Yeah.